how to do trading on Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can do trading on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now trading on Binance is very simple. You don't have to become a pro. You can use a normal light version or you can switch to the pro version depending on what is it. Trading simply means buying a cryptocurrency. When you think that you've got a certain amount of profit because the value of the coin has increased, then you can choose to sell that particular cryptocurrency. Now over here, let's say I buy BNB today, and let's say I tap the buy option. If for $100 today I am basically getting 0.186 BNB. Tomorrow for $100 that value of BNB is going to be 1 BNB, which means I have got a 90% profit over here. Now if I decide that I want to sell it, I'll be able to sell it for a certain amount of money, and this way I should be able to go ahead and then basically do crypto trading. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.